Welcome to Windows 10 5 tips and tricks for your daily use. Tip number 1: how to hide the all desktop icons. Just right click, select view. Here click on, just untick the show desktop icons. I am unticking the show desktop icons. Now it's hidden. Tip number 2: turn on the clipboard history. To turn on the clipboard history, press Windows key V. I pressed the Windows key V and now I'm turning on clipboard history. Just click on the turn on button. Yes, now turned on. So what is the advantage of this? Let me explain. See here, I have this PDF document. In this PDF document, I'm copying the multiple lines. Right click, copy. I'm copying the below line also. Right click, copy the I'm copying one more line. Right click, copy. So when I copied the last line, I'm unable to paste above two lines. So with the help of clipboard history, we can paste all three lines. How? Let me explain. So I opened the fresh Word document. Just press Windows key V. See, I got back all my copied data. Just click on this. Windows key V. Click on second line. Enter. Windows key V. Click on third line. So now I'm able to paste the all three lines. And one more advantage of this clipboard history: when I restart my system automatically erases the all clipboard history. So something I want repeatedly after restarting my system also, we can get back that data. So just click on this, select pin and pin it. So when I click on the pin after restarting my system also, we can get it back. Just first, okay, check this after restart. Just restart my PC. Now I restarted my laptop. Just press Windows key V. See, I got back my pinned data. So we can by clicking on this button, we can unpin also. Tip number 3: how to use magnifier. Just press and hold the Windows key, press the equals button. Our system will open the magnifier. Just click on this plus, it will zoom in. So click on this minus, it will zoom out. Once you open this magnifier, just minimize it. Now press and hold the Windows key, press the equals button, it will zoom in. To zoom out, press and hold the Windows key, press the minus key, it will zoom out. So system automatically takes the area wherever your cursor is there. So I'm keeping my cursor here. Just press and hold the Windows key, press the equals button, it will zoom in that area. Now press and hold the Windows key, press the minus button, it will zoom out. Tip number 4: how to pin the icons on my taskbar. This is the taskbar. Just I want to pin the File Explorer on my taskbar. Just this is my File Explorer. Just right click, or else we can search here. This is the File Explorer. Just right click, click on the pin to taskbar. So now it came on my taskbar. Just drag it to left side. So click on this File Explorer. It will opens the my recently opened data. We can change this File Explorer settings. Here go to quick access. right click, click on the options here, change it to this PC, click on apply, click on OK, close this and reopen again. So now it will opens this PC. Tip number 5, how to come back to desktop. See here I have opened so many files. I want to come back to desktop. Just minimize it. If I minimize, it will goes to again another file. Just minimize it. It goes to another file again. So instead of this, just use the shortcut key, Windows key. Just press and hold the Windows key and D. It directly comes to desktop. If you find this video is very useful, please like, subscribe, comment and click on bell icon to get new